Breaking Bad Habits, a step-by-step guide. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase, break a habit. This phrase is not only useful in everyday conversation but also a great insight into English expressions. So, let's get started and unravel its meaning together. Break a habit refers to the process of stopping a regular tendency or practice, especially one that is considered negative or harmful. Habits can be anything from biting nails to procrastinating. This phrase encapsulates the effort and challenge involved in stopping such practices. The word habit comes from the Latin habitus, meaning condition or appearance. Over time, its meaning evolved to refer to regular practices. Break, in this context, means to interrupt or put an end to. Together, they form a phrase used widely to discuss personal development and behavioral change. To understand better, let's see it in action. 1. She managed to break the habit of smoking after 10 years. 2. It's hard to break a habit if you don't replace it with a healthier one. These examples show how the phrase is commonly used in English conversations. Breaking a habit is not easy, but it's certainly possible. Here are some tips. Identify the habit. Acknowledge what you want to change. Understand the triggers. What prompts your habit? Replace with positive alternatives. Swap the bad habit with a good one. Stay consistent. Persistence is key. Seek support. Friends and family can be great allies. We hope this video helped you understand the phrase, break a habit, and inspired you to apply it in your language journey. Remember, learning a language is also about understanding its phrases and their usage. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.